there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Bliss, in the house. How you doing? So yes, you guys, I am about to proceed forward with my my second wash day. So do you have dry, itchy scalp? Girl, if so, I know just exactly what you need, because that's what I've been suffering with since I've begun this new chapter in my life as it referenced my hair. Now, the dandruff isn't as bad as it was before, but you can see some little remnants of dandruff in my scalp. So right now, what I'm doing is the prep process. Yes, girl, this is the prep process. So this is where I just kind of go in and I'm just putting big twists throughout my hair. And to keep my hair together, I am just banding it with some Goodies black rubber bands. Now, as you guys can see, I have a tapered haircut, so this is a extremely challenging process for me, but it has to be done, girl. So this is what my hair kind of look like. Look at her. She's so cute. She's so cute. Okay. Hey. So I'm doing this throughout my entire head. Okay. And y'all, this took me no more than like 10 minutes. The very first time I did wash my hair, I actually braided it, but it was challenging for me to unravel the braids after I got done washing my hair, so I figured twists would probably work best for me, especially at this odd length I am in at this particular point. Okay, hey, anyway, I am just tired of rambling, but y'all, I just want to make sure you guys really understand where your girl is coming from. So the product that I'm going to use to wash my hair is none other than Acured. I think that's how you pronounce it. I decided to give this particular shampoo a try because it is a clarifying shampoo and it consists of lemongrass. I don't really like the scent of this product. It smells like tea tree oil, and I'm not really a big fan of the scent of tea tree oil, but it shall do for now. As you guys can see, I'm going in between the twist through to my scalp, applying the shampoo. I love clarifying shampoo because it definitely helps with clearing out all that buildup you get, especially when your hair is in locks. Okay, a little bit about Acured. It curiously clarifies. It includes lemongrass and argan, gentle and clarifying for all hair types, so anybody can use this product. It washes away buildup and treat your hair to a double dose of organic oils. Okay, so that's always a very, very good thing. The amount of this product did not cost that much. I believe I only paid about $6 for it online. I purchased mine off Amazon, but I do know for a fact that Kroger has it as well. So I have completed washing the product out of my hair, and so basically I just kind of rinse my hair off with warm water. And so this is my hair afterwards. I'm just kind of squeezing the twist to get the water out, you guys, and I'm doing this ever so gently because, again, I am in the beginning stage of my lock journey, so I do not want to mess up the progress that I do have here in place. I know the back of my hair is a lot more softer, so I have been having some unraveling going on with some of the hair in the back, but besides that, you know, everything has been pretty good. My hair looks really, really clean. My scalp looks very, very clean. Again, the scent is not my friends. I'm not a fan of it. However, my hair do look a slight bit dry, but it did clarify my scalp and my hair. So is this a repurchase for me? It's kind of hard to say. I'm not really sure, but so far so good. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you tulips in the next month's Moochios. Mwah.